Hi, David. How are you doing today? How are you? Say hello to Daddy and Kuya and Nanay and Inang. Hello. Hi. Say hi. Ay, ay, ay. Inuubo pa din. Yes. Yeah, okay. Go. Show them how you walk. Sige na. So, show them how you use your walker. Come on. Come on, David. Gusto siya talaga pumunta dyan, Ima. Mami!
Mother, the baby. I'm doing something now. What are you doing, no?
Yala, come on. Come back here. David. Okay, bye, David. Bye.
You're going to your mom.
Go there. Go there. Go. Wait. Alright. David, come. Come on. Come here. Come. Come, please. Yeah. Good boy. Come. Good boy. Yay! Wow!
Chenzo, where you at? Hey, what are you doing? You don't? I'm home. Actually, I'm going to pick you up. See you then. Bye. Hey, thanks.
Ima! Dance kayo ni Lola? David! David!